Here we have Kaspar now. Kaspar's doing the balls now. Explain now, Kaspar, what we're doing.
Oh, it's very complicated. Well, we just got to hit them down to the size. So they got to hit them down to the right size so they fit right between here and here, so we can hold them tight together. We got to make two sides nice and flat.
Okay, do you want to show us how to do a scroll now?
Because I spent lots of time on the lathe. A scroll?
Yeah,
I did all the scrolls.
Oh.
There they are in all their glory.
Do you want to show us how to do one? We'll get a scrap piece and we'll show how to. We'll get one of those ones over there.
Yeah.
Can we make any of those into a smaller scroll? Because I'm short on some of them.
Probably.
We'll get one of those. Any one of them will do.
This one will be good.
Oh yes, the emotional ending. Big thanks to Timo Mars for the Friday afternoon DJ set today, and thank you to everyone who texted in and tweeted in. Tomo, Rick in Melbourne, Jimmy in Madawi, Mark in Newcastle, and also a special hello to the person who
I've got flashback arresters on them, Kaspar, so you're alright.
Yeah, nothing's going to blow up.
Yes, I believe you could be right. Look, keep an eye on the blog later on today, triplej.net.au/lunch if you want more Timo Mars info. I'll put up some links to where you can get your hands on his new compilation, including that incredible placebo mix you heard just at the end there. Coming up soon, some horror show and set Century. Right now, this is the brand new song for My Chemical Romance. Happy Friday.
Is the oxy off? Oh no. More oxy. More oxy.
Oh, this isn't ready yet.
Smile?
No, it's not going well.
Now explain what you're doing here now. Why are you doing this?
I'm just bending it a bit so it fits into the jig.
Why are you heating it up?
Because it's going cold. Yeah, I'm just bending it so it's got something to hook on. So it's got something to hook on.
And you've got to be careful with this, haven't you? Why have we got to be, when we heat this up now?
Because with aluminium, you heat it for just a second too long and then it just breaks on you really easily. This is probably a bit too high.
You're making it look too easy. Make it look harder.
Alright. That's that. That's cheating. Luke wouldn't be happy with that. And now just
Like a version. Volume 6 CD DVD. Featuring all your favourite artists and your favourite
make it
artists.
look nice.
Covering hot chick. There was covering Bruce Springsteen. Also, he repeated and also even more than that. With my eyes. Why? Use them to watch the DVD.
That's about right.
And DVD.
Oh no,
Out
this
from
is...
the Triple J website and good record stores everywhere around. And
Oh, I think that's the bigger
yeah,
one.
This is originally, yeah.
Let's try it in the bigger one there. Let's try it in the other one. In that jig.
That looks better.
We'll just stretch it out a bit.
Yeah. Needs a few tweaks. Actually, it's broken in there.
Okay, and let's put those two together. Put this other one on there now, and then put the balls in it.
Actually, I think this is...
This is only half of the design, that.
Should put a better one in.
Oh, I've still got to tweak it yet.
This one in. That was stupid. That's not what to do. Actually, you could probably hear my skin burning just then. If that was doing sound. I'm not sure. I think one of these is...
We've got the jig for that on there. That's the jig to do those. We just give that a hit just there. Just give it a hit after. That'll go in. And another ball. Put another ball in there. And then we've got the flowers on there as well, haven't we? Where that blue tube is, that gets cut off. That gets cut off below that flower, so you don't see that. And that design there is duplicated up here. Yeah, and you've done all of them.
Just...
And all of them balls.
And all of them. And all of them. And doing the balls.
And you're going to be doing those Monday though, aren't you? Those ones.
Yeah, these ones are harder though. Yeah, so that's that. I'm going to continue with these balls. My hand hurts.
And this is Kaspar signing off.
Yes, signing off. Walk off into the sun.
So here he is there now, trying to flatten down that so it becomes more of an oval.
Still a bit more. That's it.
And just show us over there what we've got to match. This handrail, Kaspar, show us the door that this is all taken off, the design that it's all taken off.
What?
The door, which door is it?
One down there?
Yeah. Them balls, just bring one of those over and we'll...
Whereabouts is it going?
Let's see those lead ones. See the lead ones? Yeah. Put yours up next to it. That's it. It's a perfect match. Those ones are lead, because there's some lead ones missing, but we made lead ones as well.
Yeah, we got the lead ones.
So, but for the handrail here, because it's aluminium, everything's got to be aluminium to stop electrolysis. Electrolysis. Okay.
Alright.
That's it. See ya.
Bye.
Say bye, Mum.
Hi, Mom.